Mom, you're here.
Tiffany, why are you drinking?
La 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 la. Mom, you're actually here. I've been trying to call you. You don't want to take my calls anymore. Come on, Mom. I have so much things to tell you. Wait. Do you want something to drink like I am drinking?
Are you losing it, Tiffany?
Mom, hold on. I know you don't like them. I have... You want a dragon, Mom?
Tiffany, are you serious?
Kareem loves dragon. Let me get him one. Oops, there's nothing in this one. Maybe Kareem. Did I tell you that Kareem is cheating on me?
Hold on. Boy, you mean? Oh, you know the Kareem will cheat on you.
I saw it with my own two eyes.
Little girl, please don't tell me say you left this house.
I was bored in this place. I'm bored. You're bored. We're all bored in this place. I gotta tell you this, Mom. Hold on. Got it. Mom, I saw her. He's cheating on me with a girl that works in a shop. Oh my god, a shop. Look at me. Okay, I get it. Her body's a bit bigger than mine, but mine is growing. Right, Mom? A shop though, Mom? And bottom? Kareem is unbelievable. I am the daughter of a Hold on, Mom. Who's my father again?